In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Slack on Windows 10 11. If Slack is no longer part of your daily workflow or you're troubleshooting a fresh install, removing it cleanly takes just a moment. We'll use the built-in Windows search so you don't have to dig through menus. Start on your desktop and click the search bar on your taskbar. On Windows 11, look for the magnifying glass icon or the field labeled Search. On Windows 10, it's the box next to the Start button. Clicking it places your cursor in the search field and opens the results panel, so you're ready to find the app right away. In the search bar, type Slack. As you type, Windows will list matching results. You should see Slack appear under the Apps section of the results. If you also see web results or files, ignore those and focus on the Slack app entry. This helps ensure you're targeting the installed program rather than a shortcut or a web link, which won't remove anything. With Slack highlighted in the results, choose Uninstall. The quickest way is to right-click the Slack result and pick Uninstall from the context menu. You can also select the app in the results, and if you see an Uninstall option on the right panel or below the app name, click that. Windows will then open the system's uninstall flow so you can finish the removal. Depending on your version of Windows, you may be taken to Apps and Features or the classic Programs and Features window with Slack selected. If you're asked to confirm, click Uninstall to proceed. You might also see a user account control prompt asking for permission. Choose Yes to continue. If Slack is running, Windows may prompt you to close it. Go ahead and allow it to close so the removal can finish without errors. Give it a minute to complete. The process may happen quietly in the background, and when it's done, Slack will no longer appear in your Start menu or search results. If you want to double-check, open the search bar again, type Slack, and confirm the app no longer shows under Apps. That simple check is a quick way to verify the uninstall worked. That's all there is to it. Using Search is a fast, reliable way to reach the uninstall option without navigating through multiple settings pages. If you ever need Slack again, you can reinstall it from the official website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Windows 10 or 11 system quickly and confidently.